DIY Solar Homestead. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, from my family to yours. It's absolutely beautiful up here. So, cabins all around, but nobody ever goes out there in that marsh, that little pond. It's beautiful. It's always beautiful. Summer, winter. I drove through a crazy storm. There was 15 different times that I thought about going home and skipping Thanksgiving dinner, but I made it. It was crazy. The terrible, terrible winds. So for all of you out there that's traveling this holiday, safety, safety, safety. That's the Army safety briefing. Safety, safety, safety. You say it 3 times. Now, Colorado had over hundreds and hundreds of flights canceled. So hopefully y'all not traveling by plane and stuck in an airport for the whole holiday weekend. You get expensive sandwiches instead of a turkey dinner. And be careful on the roads. So I'll be checking out the weather with Oppenheimer Ranch project. There's a huge storm coming to Michigan. So hopefully I get out of here in time. And I got a lot of work to do. I want to be working on those batteries, get the solar products up to par. The charge controller that's black and orange I got from Southern Ohio, Solar Homestead. I figured out what it was. Solar Haven sent me a link and to a charge controller that I've been eyeballing for a while. And right next to that was another one. It's identical to the one I got in the basement from Southern Ohio Solar Homestead. So now I know what it is. I know how many. It's 12 and 24 volt, and I want to get that sucker hooked up to the first battery bank, and then the other one's going to be 12 volts. But anyway, happy holidays, and cheers. And you have a nice winter day.